Hello, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Basically, I told you to go to the marketplace if you want to get a certification, and then you come, this is where it'll take you to Comptia, the store. You go to certification vouchers, that's where you should start. We're looking at Network Plus, so we'll click there. We need to have a voucher before you can sign up for the test. So we get a good deal. We get an academic price on this. We get 159 where it's usually 319. So this is the one we want, definitely. So we'll click on this and we'll add it to our cart. Okay? That's if you want to take the exam, you do have to have a voucher. This is the cheapest price you will get, no matter how many discounts you think you see. So then we add it to the cart, and there's only one exam that you have to take. You'll see it here. You'll see that it will give you, what it's going to do is send it to you. Ignore this weird stuff, but for pre-qualifying and all, that's ridiculous. But anyway, you proceed to check out, which I don't want to do. Well, I guess I could, because I don't think I have it under my account. But proceed to check out, and it will send you, oh God, I hope I didn't just do that. Order summary. Oh no, I think I might have. Oh gosh, I hope that didn't happen. Oh, I'm not logged in. Oh, good thing. Anyway, you go there and then you're gonna log into this account. So basically it's gonna be an easy login. You'll already be logged in. So when you're ready, as you can see here, when you log in with your account, then you can go in here and you'll get that 159, and what it'll do is it will email you a voucher number. Okay? That's all I have to say. Once you've obtained your voucher, then you can come to here, which is Pearson View. And here's the link. We're going to do for test takers, we schedule an exam. It's going to ask us things like what exam are we going to want to take, and it's actually looks like it's going to do some testing accommodations with COVID, because it's usually a little bit different, but so either way, they are allowing online testing now, so I have a feeling that's what this is about. Basically, you schedule your exam, and you can take your exam from home now, so that's an option. I'll leave that alone, so you can either schedule it here, where you'll decide to go to a testing center that's near you, and we would look for the N plus, and it looks like the whole thing is completely different. So just read the COVID stuff. But basically, you're going to schedule your exam one way or the other, if it's online or if it's at a testing center. So there's different testing centers, but it looks like they're encouraging online. Otherwise, you'll get to that spot where you do that. Let me go back and look at, let's see, take your exam from home. All right. They monitor your screen and everything, so they are still very safety oriented. But this is one way to do it. So if you choose to do it, you want more information, then we go and we schedule it. But basically, these are your options, and I could go schedule an exam here too. And again, looks like they're giving you an online option to test your key. All right. Play with this. If you don't understand it, contact me. Okay? Thank you.